Today I'd like to share with you the secrets of a particular group of individuals. These are the habits practiced by those we often refer to as highly vibrational people. These are the individuals who seem to radiate success, happiness, and positivity wherever they go. How do they do it? Let's delve into their world. Habit number 1, expressing gratitude and appreciation. At the very core of these habits is a simple yet profound practice. Expressing gratitude and appreciation. Each day, they begin by setting a positive tone, acknowledging the blessings and goodness that life offers, whether it's the joy of a new day, the love of family and friends, or the mere beauty of the world around them. They make it a daily ritual to count their blessings. By focusing on what's good in life, they draw more goodness towards them. Habit number 2, mindfulness and daily meditation. Equally crucial is their practice of mindfulness and meditation. In a world that's so often characterized by noise and chaos, these individuals choose to carve out moments of stillness. Through daily meditation, they deepen their awareness, fostering clarity in thought and action. It allows them to be present in every moment, fully experiencing life in all its hues. Habit number 3, prioritizing self-care and self-love. But this radiant energy doesn't come solely from external practices. It also stems from a deep-seated commitment to self. Highly vibrational people prioritize self-care and self-love. They understand that to give their best to the world, they must first be at their best. This isn't a selfish act, but rather a profound realization that maintaining high vibrations requires nourishing the mind, body, and soul. Habit number 4, trusting intuition and celebrating small triumphs. Have you ever had that little voice inside guiding you? That gut feeling? Highly vibrational individuals have cultivated a deep trust in this intuition. They listen to it, letting it guide their decisions and actions. Along the way, they also take time to celebrate the small triumphs. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory worth recognizing. It's this recognition that propels them to achieve even greater heights. Habit number 5, embracing change. They understand the only constant in life is change. Rather than resisting it, they embrace it. They view change not as an obstacle, but as an opportunity, an invitation to grow, evolve, and become better versions of themselves. Habit number 6, consistency over perfection. Highly vibrational people aren't perfect. They're consistent. They recognize that it's not about being flawless, but about returning to these habits day after day, even when it's tough, because in consistency lies transformation. Habit number 7, community and support. Moreover, remember that you're not on this journey alone. Surround yourself with a community that uplifts you, with individuals who understand the value of these practices and support you in them. There's an age-old adage that says, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Make sure those around you inspire you, challenge you, and support you in raising your vibrations. Habit number 8, taking action. While understanding and appreciating these habits is the first step, the real change happens when we take action. I encourage each one of you to choose at least one habit from what we discussed today and implement it in your life. Witness the ripple effect it creates, not only within you, but in the world around you. Habit number 9, continuous learning and growth. The path to higher vibration is one of continuous learning and growth. Just as the universe is ever expanding, so too should our pursuit of knowledge and understanding be. Embrace every opportunity to learn, not just about these habits, but about yourself, your environment, and the deeper truths of existence. Habit number 10, living authentically. In your pursuit of higher vibrations, strive for authenticity. It's not about imitating others or fitting into a certain mold. It's about finding and expressing your unique voice, your unique energy. By living authentically, you not only elevate your own vibrations, but also inspire others to discover and embrace their true selves. Habit number 11, the ripple effect. Imagine a world where each of us, in our own unique way, contributes to a collective rise in vibration, where gratitude, mindfulness, self-love, intuition, and adaptability aren't just personal practices but shared values. The ripple effect of such a world would be transformative. Each act of kindness, each moment of reflection, each expression of gratitude would compound, leading to a global shift. Every individual here has the potential to embrace these practices, but it's important to remember that transformation is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth, reflection, and evolution. There will be challenges along the way, days when it feels hard to express gratitude or moments when mindfulness seems out of reach. But it's in these moments that the true essence of these habits comes to light. As we part ways today, I want to leave you with a call to action. Begin within, reflect upon your energies, your habits, your mindset, commit to at least one positive change, and then watch the magic unfold. But don't stop there. Share your journey, inspire another, and let the chain reaction of positive vibrations begin. In a world that often feels chaotic and divided, let's be the beacon of hope, light, and positivity. Let us come together, rise above challenges, and co-create a higher vibrational world. From the depths of my heart, I thank each one of you for joining me on this enlightening journey today. Let's carry the torch of positive vibrations forward, illuminating not just our paths, but those of countless others. Stay inspired, stay elevated, and always remember, the universe vibrates to the rhythm of our hearts. Let's make it a beautiful melody.